Pero meron din pong tungkulin pagdating sa pananagutan or accountability. At yun po yung sole power to try and decide all cases of impeachment. Mahalaga po na manatili ang independence ng ating Senado bilang isang co-equal branch of government. Ang posisyon ko po, mag-convene ang impeachment court at doon natin i-decide ang mga bagay-bagay na ito. Article 9, Section 3 of our Constitution, Accountability of Public Officers. In case the verified complaint or resolution of impeachment is filed by at least one-third of all members of the House, the same shall constitute the articles of impeachment and trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Wala pong dagdag po dito. No? Dito po sa gallery, kasama ho natin dalawang framers of our Constitution. Nandito po si Professor Ed Garcia at si former Chairperson Christian Munsod.